If your resume could be anyone's, it won't be remembered. Welcome back to Human Resources by Namtique. Today we're fixing the most common resume problem I see in resumes that are accurate but generic. And generic resumes don't get interviews. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an employer-first resume by doing two things. One, swapping duties into impact, and number two, reordering your content for both applicant tracking systems and human scan behavior. Employer first means the resume is written from the employer's perspective, not yours. Your resume is not a record of everything you've ever done in your career. It's an argument for why you fit this role that you're interested in. Here's the rule. Duties describe what you did. Impact describes what improved because you did it. Watch this. Duty, responsible for onboarding new employees. Impact, on the other hand, reduced time to productivity by streamlining onboarding steps and standardizing a checklist used across the team. Let's try another one. Duty, handled employee relations. Impact, on the other hand, says resolved employee relations issues early through coaching and clear documentation, reducing escalations and time to resolution. Impact bullets are what hiring managers remember. An ATS, or applicant tracking system, is a matching system. It is looking for alignment between the job description and your resume language. Employer first doesn't mean keyword stuffing. It means you use the employer's terms only where truthful. Humans scan in patterns like top, third, first, then headings, then first words of bullets. So here's the reorder. At the top, place a 2 to 3 line headline summary that includes your role, level, and core strengths. Then, a skills or strengths line that mirrors the job posting. Then, experience bullets where the first words are outcomes, not responsible for. Next, do this in 10 minutes. Step 1, pull 8 to 10 keywords from the job posting that you want to apply to. Step 2, make sure 6 to 8 of them appear naturally in your top half page. Step 3, rewrite your top 4 bullets as impact bullets. Then step 4, move your strongest, most relevant accomplishments to the top of each role. This is how you go from generic to employer first. If you want my ATS tailoring checklist, comment with the word modern and I'll send it to you. My goal is to help you to live your best career life. So if you received value from this content today, do me a favor and click that thumbs up or like button to let the algorithms know that this is great information that others who want to live their best career life can use. And when you're comfortable, subscribe to my channel because I release new content weekly, and sometimes I even slip some bonuses in there. Also, share the content because I'm sure other people in your network want to live their best career life as well. Also, I'll be posting a free workshop, and I'll put the link, registration link, in the description below the video if you're watching. If you're reading, it'll be at the bottom of the written content. I look forward to seeing you again and often, and I hope that you have a great career week, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.